sit back, relax, enjoy. Heading off to the Jamshedpur next tour. And let's go, guys. Here is my bro. Say hi. Hi. Let's move on. Heading off to the Sir Tataji Durabji Park was the scene, and let's see you and meet up in the Tata Durabji Park. Okay, was the road in the time lapse.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. We'll live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just
Sit back, relax, enjoy. Finally, we are reached Sir Dorabji Tata Park. Now, watch the cinematic, enjoy this, and I will tell you about this area because due to the corona and the pandemic, it's everything is closed. Whatever I can show you from the outside, I will show you the beauty of this Jamshedpur. Let me know in the comment if you like this. So hit the bell button, and here is my bro. Follow him, BJP's member. Okay, he is laughing about that. So make sure. Now I will show you behind the scene. You can see behind me there a diamond. It's not a real diamond, but the thing is that's the beauty of this Jamshedpur Tata Durabji Park. And here that's the back thing is the Durabji Park. Again, I will show you the cinematic and tell you more about that. So again, guys, if you are a fan of the Dhoni or Sushant Singh Rajput, whose shooting is done behind me, and there is a stadium. So this stadium consists a playground where players play. MS Dhoni, who has lived in Ranchi, his hometown, and again Sushant Singh Rajput, who is RIP. By the way, I respect him as a good actor. Again, you can see back him and again. That's the behind the Durabji Tata Durabji Park. Now let's watch the tour of this park. So guys, if you are in our vlog, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further quality updates and enjoy the episodes of Jamshedpur. He is my bro and he's going to tell something about this park in Hindi. So listen from his. So Vishal bhai, what is the specialty of this park? It's behind me.
ये पार्क सर दोराबजी टाटा पार्क के नाम पे है। जमशेदपुर आपका जस्ट जे.आर.डी. टाटा किनन स्टेडियम के बगल पे है। ये पार्क अभी हाल ही में ओपनिंग हुआ है, लेकिन कोरोना पेंडेमिक का चलते ये पार्क बंद है अभी इधर कुछ दिन बाद खुल जाएगी। और रहा बात
विशाल भाई, एक बात बताओ, आप जो आपके पीछे जो पार्क है, आपको इसका जो लाइटिंग है, क्या आपको मतलब इससे क्या मज़ा आता है ये देख के, जो पीछे लाइटिंग फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है?
ये लाइटिंग से मतलब एक अलग ही दिल मिलाव होता है, क्योंकि ये लाइटिंग ऐसा है कि डायमंड कलर है, एक डायमंड।
और सबसे खास बात जो हमारे व्यूवर्स जानना चाहेंगे, कपल्स के लिए प्लेस कैसा है?
ये कपल्स के लिए नहीं है, कपल्स के लिए जस्ट इसी का बगल में जुबली पार्क जो नाम से है, जो टाटा बनाया है।
So guys, I must say here is an Jubilee Park. I will cover it soon. Be on to my blog for another ready episodes of Jamshedpur. Each and everything I will show. Comment down below if you want couple place in Jamshedpur. Again, he will tell something more about this place. So Vishal bhai, let's continue more something about this place.
बस ये पार्क मतलब बहुत अच्छा ये पार्क बनाया गया है, और बोला जाएंगे तो ये पार्क
सो आपके हिसाब से कितना एरिया होगा इसका?
ये करीब 16,000 स्क्वायर फीट में फैला हुआ जगह है।
So guys, it's almost 16,000 square feet. You cannot think and imagine, and you can see the color fluctuation. It's too beautiful. It's all about like a diamond. If you can see from the upwards, it look like a diamond. And again, the beauty of Jamshedpur. You can see the light fluctuation behind me, how beautiful it is. And again, I want to say is we will end up this program here and let you know another thing, another place we are going to explore. Be on to us, share, like, follow us on Instagram.
Please share
Bye
and
bye.
like and comment.
So finally we are vlogging in here rain. So see the guys how much we are struggling, and it's on to the rain and our hair is almost wet here. Again the scene behind me is JRD Tata Complex. So it's almost, what is it? Can you tell me?
ये जमशेदपुर की सबसे बड़ी टाटा स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स है, ऑल ओवर झारखंड के बोले जाए तो। यहाँ पे बड़े से बड़े खिलाड़ी, एथलेटिक्स, बॉक्सिंग सब यहाँ होती है, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी गेम्स जहाँ होती है, और भी बहुत कुछ है।
So Vishal bhai, can you please tell me about any athletes which you have known about this place? Any athlete?
यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर फुटबॉल होती, क्रिकेट होती है, बॉक्सिंग, बैडमिंटन।
No, I am talking about the athlete like Dhoni, as you have spelled before.
धोनी यहाँ पे आया है, धोनी यहाँ पे आपका ट्रेनिंग वगैरह किया है क्रिकेट का, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी हस्तियाँ भी आई है, बहुत बड़े बड़े क्रिकेटर भी आए हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत सारे ऐसे
And
मैच
guys,
भी
if
है।
you are thinking Jamshedpur is a normal city, then you are wrong. Many of the actors are from here only, like Priyanka Chopra, etc. Many of them.
और एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा, यहाँ पे जो अभी फुटबॉल टीम ऑल ओवर इंडिया की जो चल रही है, यहाँ जमशेदपुर FC नाम से है। जमशेदपुर FC, यहाँ पे जमशेदपुर में सबसे बड़ी फुटबॉल मैच हुई थी जमशेदपुर FC, और भी टीम वगैरह आई थी, सब मैच यहाँ पे हुई थी। मतलब बहुत यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा ये कॉम्प्लेक्स है, साफ़ सुथरा वगैरह, मतलब टोटल।
In short, he want to say that JRD Tata had maintained its city onto the top. It's a top-notch city, as you can see the cleanliness. You can see the cleanliness. Road behind me, again the complex, and it's cleaning so much. Raining here, man, raining. As you can see, rain. And guys, hit the bell and subscribe icon, please. Now again, we are heading move off. Okay, now see you soon.